How salon owners are dealing with the current economic crisis and what you can do about it. Is everyone telling you just put up your prices and that will solve all your problems? Problems like not having enough revenue to pay your rent and your fixed costs, your electricity, your water, those things that you really need to keep your doors open. How about the money struggles around your team? Paying them enough so they feel valued, that they're encouraged to upsell and do all those things that you know make a big difference to your bottom line. Do you have enough money to invest in your business? You know, you need new towels, you need new gowns, you want to be able to keep up with the latest products. What about the extra money you need for that training for your team to keep them engaged and enthusiastic and providing a really good service? Maybe you have some initiatives that you want to be able to afford. A sustainable salon, recycling the rubbish, creating a better environment for you and your team. Maybe your salon brand needs a little bit of a refresh and you know that that costs money, but there's salons around you, the competition is coming out, they're using all these new tactics and you'd really love to have some money to either learn how to do it or pay someone to do it just to get your brand out there in a fresh, lovely way. And what about your clients? Can you afford to do those nice treats, have that cocktail list, have those great nibbles, the sort of things that you know that are really going to cement that loyal relationship and create an incredible customer experience? Is putting your prices up going to allow you to afford that? Making ends meet has just got harder and harder. Things have gone up so much across the board. Products, electricity, and our team want better wages. You're probably approaching your business making some mistakes that are just so ingrained in the way that you run things that you can't think differently. It's a bit like being on a mudslide, running up a muddy hill, trying to get some traction. You're just sliding down and down and down, and it is exhausting and so futile. The pricing lapse backslide. It is an impossible trap to get out of. You're probably really overwhelmed and completely disillusioned. And it's not surprising that you feel like that. If you think you're suffering from a pricing lapse backslide in your business, send me a DM and I've got something that can help.